Oh. Hey. We're supposed to let go. You got the lead.
Hi. Those are yucky leaves, Eva. Her shoe's coming off. We need to get her some new shoes tonight. We'll go by the shoe department. See, this is why Eva cannot go over by the fence. That little guy right there. Harley's being so good. She's going up the stairs. Come on. Come on. Are you going to go up there? Are you hungry yet? Well, what do you say? We go get her some shoes and then we go get dinner.
Oh. Yeah, we can do that.
Johnny, 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 Johnny. Flying Eva! That face! So funny, so funny. You should let her run after that. The funniest part is when she goes crazy. Here, do it again, Papa. Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa! Eva's running away and running away. Sammy got a new phone today. Oh my gosh, that scared me. Woo! That scared me. Yesterday while we were at the park, the boy accidentally threw the ball where Eva's direction was, and Harley sideswiped Eva. Didn't knock her down, but still, like, nipped her. You want to go get the stroller? No, we don't go over that way. Let's go this way. This way, Eva. Let's go to the park. The park. It's all dirty. It's all dirty over here, Eva. But that doesn't stop my Eva. of yucky friends over here. Let's go find Papa. Come on. There goes Papa over there. Go get Papa. Ow. Yeah, that's why there should be a leash. Do you understand now?
It goes a lot faster than